This is the white belt form, step by step. Face the front, drip, kine. Junbi, Junbi, sir. Prepare with your right hand up for high block. Step and switch into a front stance, high block again, reverse punch. Number 2 front kick, followed by a low block, front stance. Stepping punch or lunge punch, also a front stance. Look over your shoulder, chamber, middle stance, inner forearm block. Step up, letter T, number 3 side kick, knife hand, middle stance. Step back into a front stance, stepping punch or lunge punch. Prepare, step and switch, front stance, reverse punch. Number 2 front kick, low block, front stance, stepping punch, front stance. Once again, look over your shoulder, inner forearm block, middle stance. Step up, number 3 side kick, knife hand, middle stance, and finally, front stance, lunge punch. Burrow, shot, kine, ATA.